Serekunda Market, The Gambia. Oledo, 32, from Nnewi. She is unwrapping the oilcloth from the second shelf. Egusi tins, ground crayfish, stockfish on wire hooks above, when a Gambian woman in a deep indigo wrapper stops at the counter. She is looking at the tins, but she is not looking for the tins. Oledo waits. That is the first rule. Ndewo. No. I am Yvonne Choma Mbanefo, heritage futurist, daughter of the soil. Welcome to Igbo Daily Drops. Episode 19, Week 4, Day 4, Thursday. Today, the 3 moves that turn any market into a conversation. Ka anyị bido. Let us begin. The proverb for today is, Ejighị ụtụtụ ama njọ ahịa. You cannot judge a bad market from the morning. Ejighị ụtụtụ ama njọ ahịa. You cannot judge a bad market from the morning. The first no is not the day's verdict. The empty shelf at 8 a.m. is not the story of 6 p.m. Oledo does not have what this woman needs. That is the morning. Watch what happens next. Today, how to ask what someone has. Say clearly what you don't, and redirect when the first answer closes a door. 3 moves. The architecture of every Igbo market exchange. A question, an honest answer, another way through. The woman's name is Fatu. 2 years coming to the Nigerian section. But today she is looking for something she can only name in Mandinka. A ceremonial salt for her grandmother. She does not know how to cross that gap. Ingwerennu, Oledo asks, do you have salt? Not the packet kind, the coas kind. Fatu shakes her head. Oledo checks the second shelf. Mba, enweghị m. No, I don't have it. Then, without pausing, achọrọ m ihe ọzọ. I want something else. Not a refusal, an offer. She calls across the aisle to Ngozi, Abriba woman, 2 stalls down. The kind of stall that looks from the outside like it sells very little and actually sells everything. Ngozi takes in the situation in one look, disappears, returns with a small cloth bag, knotted at the top. Fatu opens it, smells it, closes it again. She pays, wraps the bag into the corner of her wrapper, looks at Oledo. Nne, she says. She learned that word from someone. Oledo does not ask who. An Igbo market woman never mistakes a question for small talk. Ingwerennu is not the beginning of a transaction. It is the transaction. The question is the handshake. Even the honest mba is part of the contract. A trader who tells you she doesn't have something is a trader you can trust when she tells you she does. Gracia Clark's Onions Are My Husband, University of Chicago Press, 1994. Years of failed work inside Kumasi Central Market shows that Ashanti women build commercial life on accumulated trust, reputation, relationship, the web of who knows you. The social fabric of the market is the economic fabric. They are not 2 things. Jazz musicians know this. What you play in your first bar, or don't play, tells every other musician in the room whether you are worth listening to. The honest mba, the clean redirect, the space left open, that is the first bar. It ends everything that follows. In architecture, the decorative wall and the load-bearing wall look identical from the outside. You cannot tell them apart without knowing the structure. The opening question looks like small talk. It is holding the whole transaction up. The greeting and the contract look identical. One of them is structural. Now, let's build your drops for today. Repeat after me. 1. I nwere nnu? Do you have salt? I nwere nnu? I nwere nnu? I nwere nnu? 2. Mba, enweghị m. No, I don't have. Mba, enweghị m. Mba, enweghị m. 3. Achọrọ m ihe ọzọ. I want something else. Achọrọ m ihe ọzọ. Achọrọ m ihe ọzọ. Achọrọ m ihe ọzọ. Take this with you. Oledo did not have the salt, and she said so cleanly. Then she called across the aisle. Fatou left with exactly what she came for. Ejighị ụtụtụ ama njọ ahịa. Before this day ends, say achọrọ m ihe ọzọ in any moment when the first answer is no. The morning is not the whole day. Say I nwere nnu to someone today and listen for what they are really offering. Get the free speaking workbook at learnibonow.com. If you liked this podcast, rate us on Apple Podcasts or Spotify or wherever you're listening from. Your review is how another learner finds their way home. Every sentence you learn is a drop, and every drop feeds Oke Osimiri Mmụta Igbo, the ocean of Igbo knowledge. This has been your Igbo Daily Drop. Abụ m nwanne gị nwanyị Yvonne Chioma Mbanefo. I am your sister Yvonne Chioma Mbanefo. Ka chi gị dube gị n'ụzọ niile. May your chi guide you in all your paths. Ka anyị fụ echi. Until we meet again tomorrow.